Hello, everyone. Welcome to English with Altaf. In today's video, we are going to talk about something very practical and important for every learner. Our topic is Think in English Naturally, Step-by-Step Training.
Yes, friends. This is a very useful skill. Many learners know grammar and vocabulary, but still they face one problem. They first think in their own language and then try to translate into English. That makes speaking slow and sometimes confusing. Today, we will explain step by step how you can train your brain to think directly in English, naturally and confidently.
Exactly. We will make this process simple and we will give easy steps so that everyone can follow.
So let's begin the training.
Step 1 is start with self-talk. This is the easiest way to begin thinking in English. You don't need anyone else for practice. Just talk to yourself in English about what you are doing. For example, if you are making tea, you can say, I am boiling water. I am adding sugar. I am making tea. These small sentences train your brain to connect actions directly with English words.
That's right. Self-talk is powerful because it makes English part of your daily life. You do not need to wait for a class or a partner. You can practice anytime. At first, the sentences may be very simple. Later, they will become longer and more natural.
Step 2 is describe what you see around you. This is another easy way. Look at the table, the book, the phone, or the chair, and say the words in English. For example, this is a book. The book is on the table. The chair is brown. By doing this, you connect your thoughts directly with English words.
Yes, and you can do it silently in your mind or speak softly. The important thing is that you are not translating. You are directly naming things in English. Slowly, your brain will get used to thinking in English first.
Step 3 is listen a lot in English. Listening is very important because your brain needs to absorb English sounds and patterns. When you listen, your brain starts copying those patterns.
Exactly. You can listen to English podcasts, watch videos, or even listen to English music. The key is to listen regularly. Do not worry if you don't understand everything. Even if you catch the main idea, your brain is learning. And most importantly, try not to translate. Just focus on the meaning and enjoy the sound of English.
Step 4 is use simple English. Many learners think they must use difficult words to sound fluent, but actually, fluency means speaking clearly and easily.
Yes, for example, instead of saying, I am extremely fatigued after an exhausting day, you can simply say, I am very tired after work. The second sentence is simple and natural. Using simple English helps you think faster and avoid translation.
Step 5 is imagine pictures and connect them with English sentences. For example, imagine a cat sleeping. Instead of saying the sentence in your language and then translating, just imagine the picture and say in English, the cat is sleeping.
This is the same way we learned our first language as children. We saw things, we heard words, and we repeated them. We never translated. If you use the same method with English, your thinking becomes natural.
Step 6 is practice small conversations. Imagine you meet a friend and create a short dialogue in English. For example, hello, how are you? I am fine. What about you? I am good. What are you doing? I am reading a book.
Yes, you can practice this in your mind every day. At first, the dialogues will be short, but later they will become longer. This practice prepares your brain for real conversations, and you stop depending on translation.
Step 7 is read simple English. Reading is very helpful because it gives you complete sentences and natural patterns. Choose easy stories, children's books, or short articles.
That's right, don't stop to translate every word. First, read to understand the main idea. Later, you can check new words if you want. Reading gives you ready-made structures that you can use when thinking or speaking.
Step 8 is write your thoughts in English. Writing is a slow process, but it helps you build strong connections. Start with a small diary. Write about your day in 2 or 3 sentences. For example, today I woke up early. I ate breakfast. I went to school.
Yes, and later you can write more details. For example, your feelings, your future plans, or what you learned that day. Writing gives you time to think in English and improve your vocabulary.
Step 9 is be patient and consistent. Thinking in English is not magic. It takes time and practice. But if you follow these steps every day, you will definitely see progress.
Yes, practice is the real secret. The more you surround yourself with English, the faster your brain will adapt. Slowly, you will stop translating and you will start thinking naturally in English.
So, friends, let's quickly review. Today we learned step-by-step training to think in English naturally. Start with self-talk. Describe what you see. Listen more. Use simple English. Imagine pictures. Practice small conversations. Read easy English. Write your thoughts. And finally, be patient and consistent.
Exactly. If you practice these steps daily, you will train your brain to connect directly with English. No more slow translation, no more confusion. You will think naturally in English and speak with more confidence.
That was our lesson for today.
Thank you for joining us, and we will see you in the next video on English with Altaf.